Waterborne microbial diseases can flare up when there are problems with sanitation. There's a WHO study that showed that a staggering 8.5% of all deaths in Southeast Asia were attributable to diarrheal diseases, with the most vulnerable group being children. Hi, I'm David McMillen, and our team has a proposal for a grow-your-own solution to this problem. For more on that, let's go back to Professor McMillen in the studio.
Thanks, Dave. Our interdisciplinary team works in the area of synthetic biology, which uses engineering principles to build biological devices to control cells from the inside. Our idea is to create engineered bacteria that will live in the intestinal tract, sense the presence of waterborne pathogens like typhoid fever or cholera, and react. Typhoid and cholera are both targeted by bacteriophage viruses that infect and kill them. The viruses spread by lysis. They make copies of themselves, then they burst the cell and release the viruses to infect new hosts. What we need to do is to co-opt some extracellular receptors to detect toxins and couple those to the mechanisms controlling when the virus is spread. That way our disease-fighting bacteria can sit dormant in the gut and then start churning out viruses to repel the invaders. The nice thing about bacteria is that they're cheap to make. Infect a simple nutrient solution with a few cells, and you can grow as many more bacteria as you need, locally, using only simple methods. But Dave, you ask, are you seriously suggesting that people should deliberately infect themselves with bacteria? Good question, hypothetical viewer. Yes, that's what we're suggesting, just like the yogurt industry does. But of course you're right, safety is a big concern here, and we'll address that in the project. We'll use population sensing mechanisms to make sure that the engineered bacteria control their own growth and out-compete the native bacteria in the gut. We'll also design in mechanisms for the cells to kill themselves if they leave the gut, or if anything unexpected goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Please vote, or just send money.